What is up, guys? Welcome to the Aldo Soft Tech Hub, and in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way to restore your WhatsApp chat from a local backup. First, you need to have made a backup of your WhatsApp from a previous device, and secondly, you need to have Wi-Fi connection. So we start by uninstalling WhatsApp without keeping any data. Then when we are done, we go to our Google Drive, then tap on the hamburger menu, then backups, and then we can see the backups of WhatsApp that is available. I tap on the three dots of any of them, then turn off backup. As we can see, one can affect all of them, so it doesn't matter, and it only shows delete backup now. So after doing this, we go back to Google Play Store and then install WhatsApp again. We follow the procedure or instructions until we get to the looking for backup section. Here we will tap on our recent menu. Then we copy the WhatsApp folder that we had from our previous device. Then search for a folder called com.whatsapp. I select the first one. The B4B is for WhatsApp for Business. So I paste it there. I already have my file there. So it's asking me to either skip or replace. So I replace it, then go into the database. The other alternative is to go through your internal storage, then Android, then media, then WhatsApp. Then I can also paste it there. So after pasting it, I check and see if the file is actually what I want. Then turn off my Wi-Fi connection. Then select give permission. Now in the choose account section, I won't select any account, but outside the notification field. So I wait a while for it to load, 15 seconds probably. But if you see the looking for backups option, then I go back and turn on my Wi-Fi. So after turning it on, it will load a while, then picks up from the com.whatsapp folder. So I can now restore my database and then I continue. So as you can see, it is preparing, and then as it is done, I can now continue with my previous information or previous chats. If it helped you and you saw value in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Until the next one, it's bye for now.